The Republic says NDC gags MPs as tension mounts over Haruna Idris's removal. What the Republic is reporting, they say, Omama MPs no do na warning. So what about Kasebio? You stand to lose your seat. Whether that the anchor Mahama promises Western Region cabinet portfolios. NDC MPs chases Akufo-Addo over COVID-19, and this is a pack. Okay, that is the anchor. The Daily Searchlight be champions of intra-African trade. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo urging leaders. And then we have the informer. Reku Brobe fires Asiedu Nkete and others. Africa embraces AFC FTA. Mahama backs me. Atoforcing Brax. You see, Atoforcing Namno Tunanum. Access to information critical to AFCFTA. Baumia says so. And the Daily Analyst say police inspector interdicted after negligently leaving gun in Trotro. Ghana is bankrupt. Mahama. 4 armed robbers arrested. Supreme say trouble looms at Otano over demolition of properties by land guards. MPP remains Ghana's only hope for prosperity. Abronye. The Metro. La Bianca rescues Ghana's poultry industry. Buys locally processed chicken from Rockland Meat Company Limited in Kumasi. Okay. Free SHS. Student forced to pay 300 each semester for science practicals. Over 4,000 Burkinabe seek refuge in Boko West. And the Ghanaian Observer said Akufo-Addo charges business leaders. MPP will campaign on Akufo-Addo's legacy. Let's protect it. Why or didn't Kokwapia Kuka? Why CEO Lord President Akufo-Addo over massive jobs for the youth. And the Daily Guy says Ghana gambles with ITAS contract. Don't jail me at 2 Asian Beck's court. These are many more this morning. Yaw. Akwaba. Kwabra kase ne akosia we. Omuba. Okay. Yentu asum free anomo. Na yenhwe nia ekoso. Ejedun kete akwaba no ne wakasai. Osi NDC de bi ani ho. Na mo mutu ye no. But the papers have reported say osi na Muntaka in particular. Onik Babin and Tem Nenye. So they had to do something. Now 2021 cry. And I was saying after elections. But they decided to wait until the court issue. And if that is the case, yeah, then the explanation, the initial explanation of economics, infrastructure, and energy, where is it coming from?
Namuntake too strong or too powerful.
Not too powerful. I said that. Oh, yeah, my man in Metriso. I say
power no
I say Jenny Hantan not only Babin. You remember the interview at PM Express?
Yes.
The way he spoke about Babin, a lot of people felt he went too far. Probably maybe that could have been the issue. But so Kwabra I want to say Bibi Aboko. Your mama sing Kokrafona dos from Africa. Kokrafona dos no fi say emwa ya na uguso kasa ena ekoba mami ti o na mi kokwabna ho akwade abresiam wo wai ye rade whether way any ya no ne mai na no den on say as within minutes wa emre bibi a sheki no I was I know be yenko
why aban nipa agota president Joma Macron no de some makacho say me support say yebema enkokrafo no hu say generation no very young omoye menka ne say
na nya enkokrafo na adwene maburu hu etu wanfo maburufo
nta na wa kokra bu ya kokra bone nyankola bone na no munyiri be mpeni bone ti ayo wa kokra bu ono mu a by ono onwene say maba kokra ebia enche mi befra asasi so opese ni koko no wodie tu ase ansa na obekwa a
wako
san kokra fon de eni kwanse so so but kokra wodwene daachi.
How would you know sa kokra wodwene
enu ni asem no ba kokra no so obedwene daachi a wo ni su ne ya bia wo before so oba be the president no when you soon ne ma wo ya but akwenta me de masem ne say former president Mahama call se hwe ne anso so nkokora no so ne mmerewa no so no na ye so so mrantie no ye dan suban papa di ne ama mansa nyina hunu se si de ade ne ma ya ye betima ye ye nya another generation of young Africans omo ebelidi Africa including no man penny that John Dramani mama omo ye de that is the question ye nya Uhuru Kenyatta oh Kenya no ye very young obey de wo Kenya ye nya good luck Ebelechuku Jonathan
that's right.
Nigeria very young and obelidi Nigeria obey day Ghana ye benya John Dramani Mahama e ma ni belidi yen obey day eti ye de omo sa amrante no a omo belidi Africa once upon a time ye de omo ye
and even Togo Nyasimbe was very young.
Yes, Otiwo. Kabila
was young.
Yes. Omotete honomo. Baby sase sa Nyasimbe ne Kabila no ne papa no energetic honomo. Sa omo no ne papa no modete honomo no. Njakunta ye senkokra no ye hu se Africa ye generation we no mrante ne maba wa doso nteni kwase ye so nkokra so bebrede but
also their minds are backward
na kwita ye so ye current generation we your mindset ne ye de your mindset ne ye yakororo en wotiti social media so adwamasam nko a ensanwie ne kwase asam nko a ene ye di ne wo ho no mo
na ukasa ne se na ye ni future
na kwita ye sit ye nkyren kokra ne se ye ready to take mokra say the bull by the day
by the horn.
But yet no no say ya dia still nkokora na ne be di Africa so young men
is it also sending a message to Dr. Kwabena for who was 80 years
any other day
he was 80 years just last week
Kwabena for genetico no gasa no boy abuta me say me obi a ho me obi a me Dr. Kwabena for except say bia na papa no o bibi ewo akira won kan kire yen o bibi ewo na chi a on kan kire ebinom speculate say saa de we ya Dr. Kwabena for ye nyina no eye ne baboy no Kwabena for junior
for the
or dey prepare kwan e de ama ne baboy no
na ne baboy no NDC ni
hey
ade asem na
o NDC ni debi akota enne say bia enne na me yi miti na mbeka se men qualifier or they prepare ground say bia the next 2 elections Senebali Peke NDC party card enra by the next 2 elections no amateur no
he will not fly anywhere. NDC
Akweta don't belittle asema make
I'm not belittling it but what I'm saying is NDC amanyokuo no nye amanyokuo a Kwabena for so onese ne ba na ne ka ezenato
John Mama kwa mama you take over
John Mama kwa
e be the struggle of the fittest what won din wo sika no you lead. Say John Mama NDC party ti say ne MPP say do ala so chairman ya do no so NDC John Mama
NDC dey no bia
so nti na ma papa ne yes
a jakwa ti say na so no ne man do so
ye friend say junior no
na say junior no ne fi susafo
what pretend to say David
ne fi sakra ne fi that way
akweta ne fi so jai
why
ne fi so de jai
Jofo junior
wo de jai jai
when you fi akunya
akweta de jai wo de jai
me I say
president Kwabena for me di president obey Ghana Bank of Ghana governor no obey finance minister
aye
enne wose wo ba mo si wanyini a wo de ne ba me say John Mama ja presidency ni tuo nom say me di me president we me kotre fie NDC nkire yen the next in line
NDC so mu he yo
MPP for be catch us say ye wo Alan
ye wo Baumia ye wo Kennedy Japan
so e wo Adeni monum
ye wo
akopre nom so
now akopre so na 70 Alan edi say
Alan was 60 something
68
yes Alan was 60
Ese sira Alan onenam youth no
so nenam
Baumia so nenam youth no Kennedy so 62
Kennedy was a
62 or 63
MPP for na so Oluma for
say hibernation no mo kwa say they went for hibernation for 32 years
na omoba
after Buzia it took Jacob for to omoba no ma nyina wie anything na Jacob for person ko omo ni omba no mia me enko no se masa wadu dia wi akọ yes dia that is what the whole issue starts
ye ke nyina no yeso so mrantie no ye position ye hu ye
na say mrantie ntimi improve their merit say omo ready for power na
akonta me fa John Mama because ono ne kan asem John Mama be a friend say Ghana president so appointed emrantie ne maba wo
yes
okujeto ablakwa o appointed as minister
deputy minister
James Ageni Boateng wa appointed as minister
Omanhene Boama
no
a lot of the young guys
a dear blueprint
eno mujai
to honum as compared to ebia olumanfo no appoint to omo as ministers wo na be mo no etisane amane nyina akote de tutu Nana Danko Akufo ne pensi so ayi nkokra and we yi mrantie mrantie de no mo ye omo mayen exceptional leadership bi wo mo ministry ho
ana nkokra so
yes omo mayen exceptional bibi wo me yesi wa akuto say also ye bibi na manfo se kai akwa no ye
adwuma
ba me ya brantie me hu sisi me hu so me sorry am to office na me issue statement even me regions me officers e war regions no kra no me nko honko situation no mu wom how o musi operate na me say abrante ne ma me kwa na medi president say you should start doing something e be chere say African youth no you ready
leadership new side with his excellency the former president African leaders beyond 80 years must not be allowed and those even from 70 going because of fees their minds are backward mami too.
When I catch a man penny John Dramani Mahama say ugini awa odwene ekwa akiri
o say omo mind na ye ba
ai say atwam atetekwa it's never true
really
yes oh de bia ya meka say o ka Ghana asem a be specific in generalizing no esa abibi man can be for no benya problem
we di so de omo ne benya
yes asem da ho ntokwa kase pa na opese wo kan o heso no ni ne lem or has no concentrate on the mission of NDC. No nyabi before Bogabi num ne Laurent Gbagbo num foreign yashingbe ya demanum unyam life mom. No mu ni wo lim. No mu ni wo lim baby anu ojano was the greatest opportunity a obetime dey aton NDC party ni message. What is age? Nti wo hu say obi tri ho afudwene na yere 32 years. What is age? Back was saying back ebasa no ya akoka asemu eni ho no pese wo de ba ye wa bebuo bi se yenko hu abrewa edi enti de ko hu abrewa party no NDC as a political party no omo ni mpanimfo wo mu a
council of elders
omo twahia de no pese wo ka kire wo mu to pese wo dwene o pese wo ka se enti omo so soro omo ko sia party na so omo fa party no hu adwene a ensam omo ka
omo banya 70 ko ni nyina ne nko ya na
ya ensam ne ya tete kwa na sa no pese wo ka kire Ghana for na won sam na bie mu sa wo pe tumi abedi so a sa wo anya careful a boss onsam bia wo beka bia no akoye se bia wo drive na e bia wo di traffic na ekwan ketua bi apio ba bi wa hwe abai wadwe so be follow nipa woni mra ho so na kwan na kosi e wa animu kesa wo san ba wachi onye very careful wonya ya before why na animu sa bibi mark and for me yankokrafo from Ogabi ekosi hwan Laurent Gbagbo Arasani Watara foreign yashingbe ya dema ono kwa de oye ya no sa de be ma ne ba baton de ma ne ba na omo okro and so still obi are living a life enti kan samu a wo ba wo be ye 4 years no kan de wo ba wo be ye
enya Africa
enya backwards mind bia ho asem wo de minds no ekwa akire no mahama kwa wo yakokora mahama
69 mahama say give me Mahama's age
mahama wo kwa wo yakokora
in this modern time yakokora
mahama wo yakokora
hey
I'm telling you mahama yakokora you say bi obi on person be kan okore abi before ne no mo kasa no
the last time the birthday na say
here what did the last time birthday na kan asem wa huh
yeah opa se
see ya yeti hay
1958
1958 avena me calculation and power na me calculation
what I say entino se see ya opa se see ya me sorry se see ya say
ya baba is 64 no yakokra that's the 4 years yakokra kwabra after obenya 65 years
what the 4 years now also be dey no the source obenya say
oh onya 70 kra oh you still young
a dear measurement be na dey to say unya 70 kwa na say yakokra boss dem cannot say a dear na say unya 70 years and your time say we yakokra
ni obedi 70 so na ni ho dey 30 years
nti mahama person kire say uduru 70 years and you draw nkokrafo
demand and supply 70 all the draw all mo ye ayi
demand nkokrafo ke
aged curve
debi be specific na ka some person catch Ghana for what who say Johnson say nka tia kra chair onya opportunity no hu say man no work e carry weight teacher dey work
66
very good enti onya platform no nsam no kra carry weight teacher dey work kekan e carry weight teacher dey work kekan because one
Kennedy is 62
see ano nyame ye wadom kra na dem fan say bia wo ba ansa kra na wo ba share in ne wa ya wo niema toto niema bi na 2 years kra ya akọ na 2 years kra ya akọ nti wa adwene beba ni manase beba kire you more than 60 years adwene kra wo tire ho pa mfa no picture ntoto ne ye adwene kra wo tire ho bebre abi before dey no mo kasa no
it for you no fi say
we are the age boss
well,
me
your mama age na your political age
we me tia se aí wo dey opa ma me mfa me boot under 17 man ko bobia
come how dey omum va mo
na dey before me baba kuma say me under 17 me boss second division na obi a woni mi bia musa me boss second division baba yara stadium kwa be justify na pen
ona no na ma want na ambo
boss me 20 years until me under 17 just see how cast me kodi o man pani me age
and this say radio age very nice
changes life but what I say enti me
so for you sa kasa no e bi okonya na hu nya
yeah
kabra no ba say nipa bebre so complaining say empanimfo leading no 78 years
boss abrantieni boss let's be specific abrantieni
so ka branti are not in the sense of say we are 40 years ni ade o
ya kasa kwakura hwane Ghana how kasa kwakura you obian me dey work boss kasa no say wo efiri wa no ba me say me te microphone here me are very careful when me kind of voice be a me choose because kasa na be free man no be ba no me ntime sesa no biom
or see old African leaders easily lose their thoughts let's say omo ta yira o madwene and o be ka we achina we
enye the best asem no waka no
easily lose their thought crowd I said they are deranged though
diminishing return
I said dementia be say
kan wasem wakosia Ghana for wa amonone kan wasem
boss young he's a young man
we are young
but can you describe this man as old
boss we are young
Akosia
boss we are young
how would you describe it how would you describe your mama
boss we are young we are young
Odantemu enti we
young ni
okay only need to turn him out me adia obaka when you check about me but he's fit
ansa na Ghana ni banyini aduru say no ogina ho say no no o kuka kwa besa de wo ho na dey na Ghana players on bobo na o mntimi mo nkwa akiri
yeah
o pass see a yen fe lie Kingston yen fe Richard Kingston
o da mu dey for footballers
yen fe lie Kingston yen fe Samuel Jan yen fe omo maka players even kotoko players no kwa no mti krom ha no na busa obi age hwe na no afcon ya omko wo Nigeria yi afcon omko yi na me tie age bi a ye bobo ma players na ye mesere 2019 Yimadu Ajiman Badu under 20 ko je ye no wo so cap no ma no so wo chia ne yire ne ma wo se kwa Ajimanu Ajiman Badu o sa no bokotoko wo so ma no so wo chia ne yire ne ma sa na ne ba e wo form 2 JSS2 Ajimanu Ajiman Badu sa bre no mahama ya brante
okay
boss on say Ghana for say baby e duru no ya the policies never beto aba no
enye de wanyini
tabi na banya uni pani kura due eno kwa ya point so uni pani kura due asem wa wakan o won some people for be refer no and African leaders so be refer no asem wa wakan no
so mame ko akosia mame ntie oso
yo wa mame da se uni panyina ya na o de pass so nye panyina
onyi dey
uni panyina adue no ya won fa pan so
oso uni panyina padue mame ntie o
na wahini ni dia ba wose na okura mahama have waste problem
bacho mi ni o ai ne mame lodi na ne ka kire na
well be ana from close source
wahini o mame lodi na
so what you to go park
from close source
because me nim say obe o mo tebi a close source iba me dey me dia me nim say o mame lodi na ne ka kire wa so wa papa ni jo mama is your waste problem a wona oni ma me ti akosia
ma da se yan chiatifo na empanyefo ka se bi wo se empanyini to san ekomabunu diem na yeka no ball no sane amamu tie no sa na ball botie wotie kira wo hunu ne yie pa nipa no wo kwa kwahye no wantumi ansha Oko to me ka say akwa we den wan to amfa ha. Wan mobo na nkosi wan fancy enhye sei. Nemu ye de jesi ni hyew. Na ba begina mu na ohunu sampa. Sa kansie no nya agoro. Na yewra John Dramani Mahama efa ba bi ne me fa ne tutu. Na mene ne be ya adwene wo kwan bi so de ntia. Wo ka seye. Wo ma de ntia mene ne be ya adwene ye se. Wo hwe empanyimfo a wo ma ba be di amamuo no so bi kwa. Me de Ghana de na be example sanse ye o my Ghana mu ne yewo. Wo ma do won mo ya de na so won mu fie no kwa animu kakra ne duru ba bi a aya na bre wo ba bi enya adwene mu nko a safa no apomudin mu ye kɔ ha ye sene ha ye to anamo ye fa ha no wo ma be wie kire no be fra konya so no kire so anu apakem sanse na pomudin no ago ana mamuo no so nya bode abrewadwo se wo ba betena so keke na wo fa ho adie anante ne ade kukuru wi ase ne ade no kura no eno kura butimi ma enuoma bi ni mpom no etumi esisi wo kwan bi so enu nti se wo ka ne se yi a efa ba bi mene ne be ya adwen na mmom de kwagina adwene mu nko a no ana ya atwetwe aso kakra wo nipa bi mu afam na wo ma wo se ye kokon ama ye de enkokorafo sabio ene merewafo de animu da
ba bi so omompo
emabunu ena ekọ de nchi ye de mabunu kọ ne se wo mo no emabunu no ho oden se ba na pomdin mu a 2 adwene mu nso so won mutumi hunu se ye fa ha ye sen ha ye tumirika ne de akosei we be fa ha we be sen ha ye tactics we yi a ebetumi e play we eno ne be ma na ye na ye Africans no ankasa no enam se ye mpanyimfo no ye ntimi nguru mabunu no ye no nti no emabunu no wanyini aba be ye mpanyimfo no ba betana akonya no so a na enuoma bi ya akwachewachew e won mafa e fa na mamuomuo eno nti na ba ye John Dramani Mahama e bi okotena akiri no wa hunu se ngwakorafo no wasabio won ma ba no nyina no won ma amoa bibiman enu ti na ma bibremu enuoma ankoyie ye nyina ye tete apro ye John Dramani Mahama ye bisa se babunu ben na wono so gru minua ene wo ba hye na nan se nyame ya adom na se wo fra konya so ana se bia wantumi amabie mu a hwan na wo gru mi na ma ba hye na nan eno so ye kwhyen ma kese pa sanso ye mabunu no won mu nyina ba ye mpanyimfo nyina no wo ma ye huru ntete ya ye de ma mabunu no ya ja won mo saa ne ato won ma sawram enti maburu no ye ntumi hunu na boa ma examples bebre won mo ya do mbetena akonya so ye John Dramani Mahama penso won ma won appointment ahodo a won ma ntumi anya adwuma ye me se ho se appointment na ye de ma won ma nya obi na ye ma appointment o woko class krampo na ye won ye obi na class perfect any positions ahodo na ye ma ne bi na ye hwe one adwene mu unim die se ne sitie ne ahwe wapomudi mu de aka ho enye so obi ya ye hu ne se nipa no wadress
ya ban fans ani amani post assembly member bi that area community no all fans ba oboy siki ni October na fe no abese ye ba pasa mame ni Dr. Jalula Atiku twetwen komo political science scientist Lagos Dr. Memwachi o
ya ni me jo so da what to say
ye ho ye pa na so
Nyado me hoye edini Abdul Jalilu Atiku.
Okay, Dr. Abdul Jalilu Atiku.
Right.
Okay, thanks so much for that. Now, Wadarumo, Ghana mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ko Chatham wo UK. Now, holding command was say emre do say a bibrem. Omo manya 70 years you ko nyina no me ma omo kwan mo media de. Now, they normally most of the time they lose their thoughts. They are tossing they have backward minds. 18 akoba to say, Omomanya 70, 80 no, and ka Africa, ye to aba, me as so musu cry, and mom medio minor so. If you say, wako to jagu honoma, as wako pento kwaman, who no nya no unit there, obet my amagana, nye age, with respect to leadership in Africa. As a political scientist, I say, me, what can I say?
Yo, yeah, me that's it.
Sompa 93.1.
Yeah, but here for I the American said near former President Mahama Eko Kano Chatham House about the age and the leadership, particularly in Africa. No, it's not new to me personally because as far back as 2015, 2016, I put this on the discussing the position is maintaining say old age. If I say age, important factor. in certain leadership, African leadership. And at the time, we said most of the leaders of Africa, you know, don't know look, let's face it, the situation now and as Ghana as a country, economic crisis, come out season corruption, you know. Look at it. Let's look at it critically. Nana Akufo-Addo of the 1990s, right, during the time of Kumi Prekurini, look at the vibrancy. Now I want Nana Akufo-Addo and what the division are anchor officer or the. If you want to compare, looking at the age at that time, and this time now over here president, you can completely say at the time now the age and the nice so or a branch and I say at least some age, you know, would you compare and never over to me at that time, you know. And then we are not seeing it because now people are asking, say, Nanado Nana, it is not only about that, it has also to do with the age factor. Because at this particular point, so many things were he as a person of the 1990s, you know, and can obey me, you know, and then you have to rely on so many people to do it never be as a party, as a person, obey me. So yes, age is a very, very critical in the type of your leadership of Africa. Leadership deficit, you know, age for me is very, very important. So I think that as Ghanaians, we need to look at certain things, considering age. So I mean, look at our we retire at 50. That also be maybe around 70 years. That is why he want to lead policies to address. If you look at to address the challenges now, look at Africa's population. The youngest population. So I can say, and yet over leadership and we are not saying they don't have any decision. They have, but the point is that I mean, if you have competent, young generation, competent people that are also younger, in my view, candid opinion, I think that we should look at that and then give that opportunity. We should not just like experience doing it doesn't come with you need 70 years, 30 years. But if you look at that person, you tend to question it is expected looking at with age, new age. So mostly I think that the younger a crop of
okay, Dr. Abdul. Okay.
I want to lead a country.
Dr. Abdul Jalilu, Mami Musawi, in your estimation, at what age Ghana, Osho Mampeni John Mama Okasea, is 64 years. Omo pre MPP, we have somebody like Alan, who is above 65. 68, Alan. Canada, Japan, 62. Baumia, 59. Akopre, Akoto, Afi Akoto is within 70s. So, age bay na ufi say Africa. Ye here. Now, should it go with the pedigree of the person? And I say just a younger age.
In my view, my candid opinion, the constitution will say 40 years or above.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So for me, between 40 years to somewhere around, it should not be more than 70. For me, any other person, if you are already, maybe you have already been elected, maybe at the age of 64, 65, all right? Now, say, by 60, maybe by 70, and I say the one who are completely, maybe a second term, it's okay. But not all those people are coming after 70 years. We should just tell them to go away. We should just be candid and vote for people that are young.
Because Jay Kufuor,
40 and 70 years, Obi Babasha, the first term from 70 years. Why?
Dr. Abdul, Jay Kufuor ended his reign at the age of 70.
Hello?
Dr. Abdul Timenka. Messi Jay Kufuor, Owie, the presidency, no, 70 years, which means about the age of 62.
Yes.
And from your estimation, Obi anya 70 kondi, this year so to be.
Obi Obama say Oba the first term from 70 years. We should tell him to go away. So what you say, say, so be electoral at the age of 64, 65, first term, next year, the money bomb yeah. If they don't make me complete by 70, 71, 72 hours, fine. But Nyamu back from 70 years now coming to, as I say, so from 70 years going. We should tell them to go away.
Hey, Dr. Abdul Jalil Medawa say a quick one. Yabrem, J4 ended at 70, Oba 62, Nana started at 72. Akoto Ouso Free started at 73.
73.
Oba Bepre, and Usha Omo Omanhene Prince, Alan is 69.
Yes,
68.
Alan is 68.
It's you went to Obama Alan, no, and 70.
Bamia was 60 years. Your mama 65. Kennedy 63.
63.
That's this year, 2023. So,
your mama is 64.
Your mama is 65.
65 this year. Obe starting, you know, I did 67.
Yes, Obe started as ne second. No, 67 years.
Na Kennedy number 2 man no is 65.
No, is 65.
Na Alan is 70.
Na Alan is 70. Na say Baumia no so is 62 years.
And all started
as president. So say Akoto so no is
75 years.
When you're ready.
On your idea. Kabrani munyajiro. Also do officer
to the sense.
on the age no nchada nya isao.
On say Ghana hakra no. Ye wo age bi a would also retire.
60.
No retire. Because ye hunu say eduru sabre na wadwen ni wunyansa ni wunim bia bi.
Ala say oni omu nyina ya adwen say oni jo mama ya adwen.
Me ma asemi but be bi okodina wo ka asem no. Wokoka be ka Ghana sana me hwe no.
Okay.
Boss what you say?
Ba oni ni adwen say enkokrafo no moaye.
And the answer constitution no. Because the year can the year nyina ye constitution na da ho na. Constitution no because he pen side.
Yes, 40 and above.
And the Kenya 40 below 40.
Below 40. No, say 40 year age I feel say drew on man.
I don't know how what they about me.
And Kenya no 40 to 70.
What?
Unya 70 years I would be my
boss Ghana ha.
Yeah, what you say?
And also see the koto.
Caveat beto on age beto. Who deny
age David. I mean
Ghana ha obi age
your body and your spirit should tell you say Adea na me ko.
Na come down to 80 years. The body and the spirit catch and say omedi di Ghana no.
Body ni o spirit na e catch us say be lead no. Ubo hu say Ghana for so ready say sa body ni o spirit no a. E ka sa asem ne kire no. Ombeji ana say omunsom. So hu.
Omo bi ogo be scan the body ni spirit aka e scan. Hey papa. Omo bi ogo be scan. Me no body ni spirit aka e scan na wo pa.
Adea bia wo betu won no mo bia wa brabom bia.
Okay. So the question now is why do we retire at 60? Now president the Otimi Broso.
Now could Obi so retire at 70. Obi retire at 60. Obi so retire at 70.
No, I'm talking about Ghana.
Yes.
Yembrano Utimi Unya 60. You go retirement.
Now could Supreme Court Article 71 for no more retire say.
70
years. It enye 60 sir. A be retire.
No, me can't omo so Supreme Court judges so retire 70.
Akuta sa Article 71 for na Jeremiah so omo no and retire.
And a Supreme Court for retire 70. So mono institutional memory.
Akutadi institutional memory. Bia ne say okay say institutional memory. So
that we need to sit down and ask ourselves say at what age and a Ghana for ye feel say ye the man penima because with him. Now many people are blaming say Nana Danko Akufo-Addo age has caught up with him.
Yes,
and nunti na ama eni maybe atouchma. Ucho bi to say Arab Moimo. Kenya, Ucho obi to say Nyasimbe Yadema, Ucho obi to say a year, but this man, Cote d'Ivoire,
Ouattara,
before Ouattara,
Gbagbo,
not Gbagbo, Kona, there be no Konan Bedie, the one before Konan Bedie, Papay. Hofo bwanye, onjiri but no problem ni ho.
Barakota, obi unse Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ke ka 80 years. Over tie.
Nana Akufo-Addo be wie no anya 80 years.
Akuta yo 80 years wabubu dampem. Yo 80 years bia.
Ya was 70 wabubu.
Yes,
ya was 60 wabubu.
Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ekoba. At
but Yahweh say dependent betima kwaba o. But the thinking
ena me ka se wo ka efofo bwanye de se no wanyini but oye adwuma no body no bia ne die o.
Me know ya.
It is here the kototo ho say wenya 80 ana se wenya 70.
So you to the same thing.
Dabi.
Buhari.
Dabi. Yeah, she Buhari.
She Diof.
Senegal. Me say Cameroon.
Paul Biya.
Hey, Papa, we call your friend say
President better than say Ojuso Gun hono. South Sudan eh?
Yes.
Paul Biya.
Ojra and Ojuso Gun ho.
So
Ojuso Gun ho.
Ne papa mu no say only there as president. He Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo asema na yeke akonta. Se Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo be di president. Ewo ebia ne mranti brem ebia be 50 years and as even cross 60 years ebia nka ne ma ebia efi say ase Nanado na ye nim no a wabedi president no enya no ene akota ye nka no kore papa ni ni ahoden te se ne kane no wo de obedi president kwa 2016 no and 2017 no when na ho keka time oka say Amine Hari no
you could see a difference between 2017 and 2020 and after
Adea Adea Sano. Na a nurse, I was a tears, yes, boss, time now war primary 4. What more than it would do Jesus, no difference. Where Africa has say Paul Biya or 87 years. Paul Biya,
yeah,
or 87 years. Where Manuel Pinto da Costa, Sao Tome and Principe, when age. Can age you?
At the end of my
83 years.
At the end of my Okromo. Cameroon, Omunia the Papa Bia Okromo.
That's what over 40 something years.
Alpha Conde of Guinea, or 82 years. Alpha Conde of
Guinea. Yes, that age is not helping us.
Yes, I was 78 years.
On the circle for the mate.
78 years.
Me found question South Africa. South Africa. Ramaphosa. No, MTN dia. Okasa ne kokra brem na ote oye MTN. Oye MTN no
at a very young age.
But no back okra be the president when oye South Africa ho. When oye South Africa ho. But Cyril Ramaphosa kro no a
and they baby ni ho
dia or build the MTN.
The obeka ai Beningin no.
In the beginning.
In the Beningin.
Jacob Zuma.
In the beginning was in the beginning. In the beginning.
No the ware was South Africa.
They were already allowed to make out.
Anya slip of tongue.
So we all agree say age you know.
Yes,
enya effect my.
Umranti brem and I bet my bakota me and refuse to say akota Africa say. So oyo bad ya ye de becho. But so ye bema akonta umobra unko suku. Na umebo bra kra me wo na akonta keka ko 45 years. Say abrabo ya wo say oye Africa. Oye bema. Ye wo to Africa ha say ya. Akonta wajira onaso. Say
afa utimi ware no.
Me nim watene.
Now the bet 35.
What the bet akota 40. 35 now try ye. No anya obi don phobia ma na so mu. Ebia at age bet 30 apega wagina baby ape baby yes okay in Africa no
okay what am there
no man can abu shudi anke yo
listen let's hear from the people we are here. I like that debate. Hello Agosia, pick the course for me my entie Ghana for almost wadwene won koma ayedi so ure jabotre my entie Ghana for so join us on the line and let's hear. Say Ufri say age wise. Because the drume bi na say mabru na moye ti enko fa nkokra formra. Okay. So join us on the line. The number is 0551 931 Let's hear your thought this morning on this issue. 0551 931 0548 before the panel gets seated. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Tony from Chrono.
Tony, my entire no pay.
Topic now, they are bound to pay a year. Africa, Ghana. Okay, imagine quantity. From 40 to 70. A best. Have for be an okay. 80 something years. Then or never. Oh, and yet.
Okay, thank you. Hello, let's hear you too. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. How are you? I'm into Aguasi.
Omanhene Yaw at the age of 60 years no call. Na safety bi aso no any play so sure say ni padi nyina wu. Entinye nyini ne edeka. Hello, Omanhene.
It's you.
Me pacho Yaw call no mfi say.
50 years.
Good. Sasa na mlantie o ade no abrewa ne koi.
Na say na 50
Ya santoa. Saka no 60 years old. 60, yeah, ya santoa at the age of 60 years old.
There's a big difference between 60 and 70. And now names are
Matthias here.
You call the next one. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Tomai.
Yes, sir. Bodi Nakasa.
But that's what I'm back for.
For it, you.
Uncle, my but the number they are Samaba. They will be a mechanic say. So, no cut idea. I didn't pass on you.
Hey,
Uncle, my was the end okay. I said, it was a
I saw no by the time Obama president, no, in 3 years' time, no, it's 67.
Hey, Uncle, my Mr. But I general, a daddy, but it's in the video, we are something, so every year goes to the chain. I will be a heavy year goes to the chain. That is to him.
Mate, ain't you? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
From Kumukata Fitakwadi.
Kwakuma ain't you no pay.
Topic now, what in fact, day. But one thing, the Yempi flow gardening away wicked. What may you win in you? You can make suggestion that between 40 to 60 years. I know my young boy, in a way. I'm going to give you a good why. But I what see, Anato.
I don't know, we compare WhatsApp can catch it allowed to 2021. They say, Miss Lenoir. Omo di 17 nyina bo chama wan omo metrefi bo ana panibia friend producer say panibia friend producer so mu sam say boni be no aye me hey hello good morning
Good morning.
me ba cho wan ni
But a friend would do because I free Mankasim.
odo my intel from Mankasim
Me couldn't pass no you. Me pamacho. The 40 years to 70 years, and Kababway and Papa. And from even Krano, Nana BTC, or BTC, no, 70 or Frau France or Smartphone, or Cancer Maria, you know, or the other folk who may be Oriato. It's immediate 40 to win and can never buy.
all right he's suggesting 40 to 70 years now you say Ube dia we no I say J Kufuor now was 70 Ube your president we no and the boss has to the your mama so no one qualify
We shouldn't forget Ghana Newcastle 40 years or 50 years.
hello good morning Kwabra you see I'm 50 me brother that be me bro
Wait, 10 years food for thought.
that be me like me years part of the 50
Akote bi so say.
Aha.
Unya 70 no a yen fa nkoka cancel state for no ho. Ana tire fie ade akire so ani abebusa mo. Na ma ye dia my dance.
And they say go be no 70 years.
Any kwa say omo ba front line. But also omo wo akire.
no so me bro I'll go on the line hold on at one point in time let's say I was starting with presidency at 62
I go start to craft 50 akonta da be 62 de o de ko animu.
then I said your mama unqualified
It is say
that's why my parent your mama is 64 obey president so you're two Obama now no 67
no this 67.
It obey we
no or 71.
no that be
72.
so 4 years no 71
71 years. It akota te say bia me am president Ghana history chess obi no aba baako e we need that. Te me starting 50 years. It me bo boba 50 na. Me nuru 60 no. Ni am di baako. Na me coffee.
I prefer say at the age of 45 to 60 years wapon because 60 also retire.
after 60 year mama di o man penny
45 to 60.
Say 60 no ko.
Bia o person ko bia betimi akọ. Bia person ye bo Ghana bia no you can do it. But a free system called the Debbie Obroso.
your mama di president to 60 years. Okay hello good morning
The answer constitution come.
good morning
Good morning.
my auntie also so say na wo kan
My bachelor friend,
pass every
Casa Free.
wait I have told you Kuwait ana
I
kasa
the best said, Yankee so I'm going to you know, I can't pass the not blood to my biggest presidential candidate, you know. Now we'll see you because 55 years, you can't bet me the party. And I will be Bano crowd, the Sabbath group, so no. I saw 70 in one of think I manifestation years and that's all retire no. And you don't qualify, don't qualify, so be depend.
Okay. So when your sister and can't qualify. On so asem ne say Ghana ha na ho kire. We a young boy kra na usiswa. By the time I be settle say wotumi kra ko hu obi ba say obeware no. Now we ufri 35 ko 40. Unless abusia emu ye kakra na young boy onya 25 or worry ye 30 or worry you. But say hustlers ye ni na mu ye. Ansa na obetima kase. What settle down? Now you're 35. And I say, so baby, who call me one chain be na kurano? Who born in chain? It's here be I'll be now 4 tabe where now be the 15 no. I am pre one you say.
Boss, be determination.
O say.
And you bushi mu ye for ya na di presidency.
Ah, no so yourself.
Wa be na yakwa kwaman man panyin o te akonya so. Ni nya yes ka fo ya. Aha, mo. Ye ni ba.
Does he any baba ko o mu nyina ye Canada Japan? No mu nyina no kwa ni he ni ba. Ba we ade papa ro ni ho ye. Your mama papa ho ye. Akopre ayi Chami Akotoba Alan ni papa no oska. National your mama papa no oska. Northern regional minister. Do you o mu nyina mo pre ni de ane Canada Japan no free ni nkwala brema bra be si samre. Ai ye yiri di aka Canada Japan na dem.
Your cash will be a beer, boss, Ubetima.
Yenny Baba couldn't carry Japan.
Boss, who come Kina has here on president. Those from written or about 34 years.
When they say, mainstream.
Who's a mainstream? Then I mean, those who free military aspect in the air body, but at the age of 34.
Now 34 no buy a Cabradian.
Oh, Sacra will stabilizing him.
I'm going
stabilizing.
I'm going
a gradual process.
Ultimately, I could find one, you know.
So be I didn't also be I didn't live. And when about I made
about 34 years, not 34.
Oh, say yes, yeah, Pemabru.
Kwaba the high, yeah. Okay, Haiti. Now Rollins is 33. Oh, then Papa, I don't bet today.
Oh, sir.
Sad time now, yeah. Kwabra, sad time now. Maybe, sad time now, not Malaysia. General no so aba. But no one you tell Rollins in tea. Said you are Malaysia. Rollins by na boys. Hey, young go. Na ni ba no so nyini ya fe obe yes obe o mampanino. Na fe no niema for 8-9 years. Wan you who
Media me who say 45 to 60 also already.
Okay, abusha for you to me fa call be you. Mama from see ana. The panel na ba. You almost to the end e kwabra for waka bi pa. Yeah, Zuba was 72 graduate in 80. Zuba, oje papa. Was 72 graduate who so na 78 graduate who so na 80. Hey, Ghana. Akwaba, lawyer. Now put to say, I like your African and Ghanaian outfit. You are telling people about
when you get to Kwabrea, we know no.
I don't know.
Adangomase or Mukenti room where honorable.
Oh, the bow tie is nice. Your flat tie, tie. And I would do what you show her. Wow.
I said, yeah, you best promote to Kwabrin into your Babon Modern say, almost sponsor. Nabu Bobby May.
Nabu Bobby Suma
Bobby a month for Bobo.
Be more tidy, be my boy. I will be Jessica. Yeah, sure. You didn't come on. What about 2 years? What do you make of the former president's comment?
A pure campaign message.
Against
born out of propaganda and
against Kwabrado for
sure. That's only Nippon and the contest.
Oh,
so
okay.
Preparing the ground for him to fall.
You are also giving us a different.
The problem of African leadership is never age. Age can never be consideration of African leadership. It's honesty, that virtue. No create African leader and not age. Age is saying. His Excellency John Mahama was starting the political career from deputy minister, vice president, acting president to president. No, how many years?
Very young.
What has been his legacy? And yet, age can never be the consideration. Obijina puppet sebe wa adwonso agu no ho ono no yare enye ni nyini ntina pani be na na ma adwonso agu no obi yare a yare if he was talking about senke bi a yenya independent medical board
they easily lose their thoughts
asem o kan so mo bodam
if they say you lose your
mo krokra ho
omo yira o ma dwene
South African leader bi a wunyini anu abodam enti no na asem we say wo ye ka kire nipa sen na abodam ukruma by virtue of age hwamnante ye nom tramo ni wi ni ayom gu social media amaba o mo rorom hu edam be na chance afui what is he talking about emnante ye a egu social media edin panini nkokra ne nkora atem esheda nipa bi esi efre bibi beef timi sheda kan tokwa amongst themselves no mu di atem na ensem a unprintable words ensem eni si ye de ka ya no ka ensem bro eno na wo mo ka sa enkura we no se yemfo media de ana hwema egu social media ma japade aketesi anka wo kaka
wo se wonya 70 kwa ni si eso so
what are you talking about
when you are 70
how old is Joe Biden what is he talking about how old is Joe Biden what is the state of America today and some more can it's neither here nor there so can say bia yenya independent medical board bi na se nipa bi ekwo anim ana wo be contest election kra ese ye thorough examination ehwe hu say sebi wadwen mu da ho onyare there's no infirmity and all that I would have subscribed to that because nipa bi say yare wo wafemu a when there is a certain level of infirmity it will affect your performance as being
okay
no matter what so can say kam ne be yadwen now you see saying say obia na nyina no aboda.
Is it also a spite on the current president in the age?
That's what I'm saying. Is campaign message propaganda born out of or no.
Na say omo oni ombeshia no so MPP side no. Omo nyina obi anya 70.
You see,
Alan is 68. Ayi is 62. Canada Japan.
Yes.
Baumia is getting to 60, 59.
Yes.
So omo nyina young.
Or before obetimi ne sa afo no mu bia behia. There's a hurdle for him to cross.
Which is
Dufo.
Now, Dufo is not a hurdle. Me, I don't see Dufo as a hurdle.
Really?
NDC is going to vote for John Dramani Mahama simpliciter.
He sees that there's opposition for him to clear that opposition out of the way. That is so. But for that, a dear pa never manaka. Sassim we say African leaders here cross 70 and about them. Never manaka.
So if you lose your thoughts, what about them?
Dementia idea. Omanhene. Fred Dr. Biane Busan. Say dementia idea.
So what do you
have medical condition? What about them? Okay, the fancy is here. Where she papa be no 60 years. No feeding bottle. Now watching how would you describe them person? Engoy any say.
Why?
No. What about them? It is obi be any dementia na dwene be esa akora e den. Dementia, you lose your thought. Where did you be inside the aduanim? The clear condition of dementia. Inside the aduanim o didi. No a friend yere. Adwana ne dia bread roy ya o timu fmeduane mreme. And so now he's lost the thought of the fact that what you're doing. Africa Nibia in 70 border. How is that possible? How can you make that blanket statement? Is
it also not a fact, say, at age 70, Kono, a lot of people begin to lose such thoughts? All can say,
that is why I'm saying, say, if he called for independent medical examination board,
so be on your 70, no?
70 no crowd person contest the election.
So yeah, man, penny, so yeah,
need there. You found go through that process,
medical process.
You who say any power, he is fit for the purpose for which he is coming to occupy the office.
I know the Nkao will subscribe.
I'll subscribe to that because ubedi of mining nyina so a huge responsibility as you who say will be bigger than the quel. Na sabe a penny ne krum akra pa mo mayenye survey and penny abodam ne nkra abodam ne yenhwe.
Kizikao.
Opa mo menye. Mun go rounds. Na mo hwe. Penny aboda.
That
is so.
By their attitude and habits.
Yes, habits. Try more, read, whatever. Drugs. Pennies and alcohol. Drug base ya. Uko to pennies and alcohol. Sankra we nyina egu street mu a omo nema omo ye ne ade utimi hia kra bi abrantie bi ade a wo ye utimi se mfa kwam enchese mo number ade a wo ye uhwe ni anhwe ade na be mo oba besi a nyame abon ne ho ofe kama wo awroro ne ho nyina na ogina social media atwa video de kire wi asese say na madagem tie what but for madness ade na abeka ntini ma ne bi wo ho no ma obey wadwen se wo ka ede ayi wo yonku bi ahi ede take advantage but you are giving yourself up for people to scrutinize one kasa you are very taught one kasa wadwen a wodwen no nipa bi nso benya kwan enso so de atonse ne ne asusu se wasem na wo ka ne mudu na emu ha honestly because such platforms and can all the call for unity and cohesion of the country as a statesman as you are or your penia wow what demand so near you call for unity and near maybe what na kunwana so pen what who say near wait me to achieve the solution I'll be subscribe or I'll be prescribe and they say ubinya say ya ebia ye to abama na bia nka yenhwe yi na yenhwe eno no kra de na nka bia waka na general na aka say or they lose their thought there.
But look at Porkigami has been there since almost 15 years.
You see,
he's 65 years now,
and that is
he's rated as the best president in Africa
so far.
But in the age, you know, so say at the younger age, will be the idea.
Or you be an near can see Ramahama,
Alassane Ouattara.
Rollins be there, no 33 years. He had opportunity of undisturbed power for 11 years. What was the legacy? It did not necessarily say we are quarantine abetimi you, and now we are penny na wuntimi.
It is about your mindset.
Yes, it's about the person who is coming to do and his readiness. And yet, somebody who will have this virtue. Any power is here. Look at Adea Akye Abia. You look through it, you see say honesty, transparency.
Porkigami.
Yes, honesty. What the no credit? Aho power, aho fama na ye wa power ne ho achi and wo ye adwuma ma ne man. Aso man penny. That is what we need.
There's a no credit ni ho. It is not about age.
What is age about this?
Tobi Betman enya 80 years na oye no kwafo.
Oye no kwafo. Say nipa no. Now I said the older the richer. Supreme Court on the internal constitution. Yeah, mamra edibu man. You say I just want to do 70 and sana or marita. Experience and what trade judgment to wa unza temu ne da hon. You see, ko wanim no na enema bebre wo hon so a enka wo the youthful exuberance
and the
impetuousness and nessa ego and the beye no and na obuhu say can someone will be catching wa obubefu in your early ages
and
you cross over it until the age no crowd to come with its own rich virtues.
But looking at take a situation like Ghana, penny engineer onya extreme abadaye tema akrokro baby I was say in Ghana you hear people calling for a leader who can discipline us. Ebimu saying Rollins era. The era of Rollins are not any thing any sunny man on because our social fiber is almost destroyed. We have become so indisciplined or Ghana say ya anya careful. Na ye kofa obia oye boko na said ye as a German can be a so in that stead no
indiscipline.
Omufisa obi a nani afisa no. Onyine a niam bebre ti se ne o ka say you brood over certain things akanen ka bia ka broodi over no. Eti ye hia babunu.
You see,
Ghana
is a youthful country. enti saa indiscipline na here for
mabunu
enti saa indiscipline leader na ba obeyeden
say bia age is between 60 to 70 no Ghana it is deemed as a young man. We don't see them as old.
You see ubetimi enya obi a was 70 years woye so discreet discipline ofie o papa no bi ni ade obi wo 40 years na be din 7 kwase asem o hwe ne din no wo ye
but 70 years in town
not obi wo kra won kasa wo hwe na ni se behwe wa stop enti eye attitude character enye it doesn't enye age no per se ene ma wontimi nya na obetimi aye.
Okay,
that's my point. And the fact that you know it's neither here nor there. It's needless comment
from him.
Yeah. At the end, why? What study has he done so far? What is the empirical evidence so far to say we say there when you do say and a ma lose the thought we say now a ma about them. Sang for your cousin on my 10 of such persons in Africa, would he be able to? And by what medical examination? And now would not so they can ask them. Yes, Abia, and what the the Bayer Jumano, a drew will be him say, they as you age, or what they buffem. And Tibia, oh, what they know, a sote, Abia, and Nipano, and I hope can't any adeno, and what? And if free age within come Susi say, Ubinya 70 qua, and cannot, and he said, Abia or no moon, that one you advise the candidate. So no munukrano because I will send it to the throne before Nintendo. Wouldn't how tedious a test and a juma community you will advise when you're 70 years
don't bring yourself up
and how
okay so you would have expected saying commanding an advisory form rather than
why you don't make specific comment that is born out of no fact. At the end, now you know what I guys say penny for was it do 70 Africa leader any about that. Medical examination for the conduct here there. Any man
no do 70 also be join it.
Say are you saying say by the time I be contesting. Now
Obey president no is 67. See a two man
na no 67.
Aye.
And 2 or 4 years. And after our final year no be bother. And as that time no be resign. I mean, if you are no man, because I not necessarily any man a basa. Give Monka and Kokojina way, dear Oba as in the next 4 years as president. Me ba and near my win and dear Guaquem. Me what a man mun say them hunie, me cottonage say in the mehun. I've gathered this experience so far. Na me feel so minor, me de faha. Or mine be denied now so I'm not gonna name. That is what you should produce. Say, see, you have luxury of time to think through about the Nema the 1 year. And then mistakes are committed or errors near the day. And how you intend to do it better when you given the opportunity.
Okay.
When that's all kind of convincing Ghana for 1 year to Abama. And yet you want never contest over 80. And I will drink catch the Ghana for say Nipano about them to me and to Abama.
Okay. Abono ngo chia permitted ya nansia ye ne lawyer George Opon so na na hwe nim say former MC for Boakye for Agyeman, but he's not in yet. Let me do this quick birthday. Birthday we ekoma enoma sewa bonsu. Nana ma sewa bonsu aka no ama enne ye wawoda. Menim say weekend no na ye wawoda, so ye belated birthday from Omanhene Yaw. Happy birthday, but though belated, from your children, your grandchildren to Enoama Sewa Bonsu. Yamautrinkwa. Mrs. Mary Edusei Poku, aka Mary Apia of Oforikrom Trinity Methodist Church. From your husband, Nana Kwabene Edusei Poku Julius. Special birthday, Ekomau. And Madame Felicia Bidiakon of Ejuso Besiase. So birthday happy birthday to you ya mamutrim kwampa twedi ampon nkoswa omamunye kama mo bo meku atade entuma ne se dia ne obo na ba bia ewu ama wo mo ya mamunyina mutrim kwa na bibia edai akoso kama okay all right so fu bi na okasa Prince With the yente sofono. Ose Africa ye pe brofo dodo.
Kasa ni achimofo. Ye be kasa ni achimofo aguetrim nyaka na sabe ye nkura asesam obi ka brofo akwadi wo yade o. Ekufu ade ba afofra no. Who is seen about president? President wa ka brofo ene ene. Ene ate ho. Ye be kasa ni achimofo aguetrim nyaka na sabe ye nkura asesam obi ka brofo akwadi wo yade o. Ekufu ade ba afofra no. Who is seen about president? President wa ka brofo ene ene.
Okay. Welcome back. Osre.
Interesting.
This man. Okay. Let's look at it. And a person out here, Joseph Yami, national organizer, and our pro now say, Oma taking initiative Operation Weed around your friend say abandoned projects. Na Omo do to Omo kodo projects were around our matter hunyina. Now, Arab Kennedy can come so bad because there Yami, you know, every government class project or you know security, they need permission and other things. Contractor near the Jumani man no near they know authorization one ho. Even though it's abandoned, they be crana. Omunje contract in finish to omukwa do no why no mubusa no Yami Sufi said the government is being wicked. Oba Asante regional there are a whole lot of abandoned projects in fu. And they want to weed around for people to see say this is how wicked the government can be towards you. And nunti the omushe ini can come fi say enjane kwanso no na ade no ye more dangerous. Na sisi no corner contractor be kasa ne cement go ayira omo eni aya no can say we are lawyer ni what's legal or illegal about this.
Well, so when in the strict sense of law there unlawful entry say hono nyane dia enye Joseph ya media contractor bi na ye de ama no na ono necessary ho hye nensa.
Okay.
The ebesi bia and the bekoso bia your own responsibility.
Okay.
And this our contractor na de hye nensa no until so be hand over Krama government. The government has no right to enter that premises.
Really?
Oh yeah, so as one hand over.
So you call this an unlawful entry?
To me, it's exactly so because say premises no yama o kwan na wura ho a with what a lawful entry now the wura. The intent will not be the case. Intentment no nya de no ebetimi asebu in any way.
Say adwene say me kodo
ho na ade no. Ye be
the intent.
No. Say
in law your intent is called a mens rea.
Say you see your defenses be wo ma ebetimi avail. Be an intentment of the person.
So adwene am dey call and me bo tie am dey call.
But we in a straight liability if you enter baby a wo ko wura no.
Why need to me?
Yes in wura ho. Anu na wura ho a straight liability.
Say aban ejapade e no mu fi say ehu afu.
Aban ejapade.
Omo susu mre no mo ye. E na aban no eja no ho nto omo so omo kodo ho.
Ne mre be.
One time
on nisika na ye. Government of Ghana project.
Okay.
O mre ne sen. Enti yem fa say at the time no a minister na. Ade be chi na ma gbawura na office o say I no ama high fees o be na me pepa ho. Aden hwan na ma kwan say bra say wa ma high fees na o te na e odfe. That's exactly what he's doing. Would he like if I enter into his office? Na ma chase pepa ho. So buy me ahwe me pepa ho me clean baby wo kra me fi say paint ni nya fe no ma paint ni ade. Na obisa me crash opede on office. Would he by then have called police for me or not? Onya no fa. You see, sa propaganda we ne sa sebe we no we near the to abai ye dey be call election in 2024. You bring your slate on which programs, policies, what you intend to do for this country will be placed on it. Ghanaians will read, scrutinize. Now what who say the who can and no is it feasible?
Bibusano question. He said he mentioned 10 billion push in the 2020.
What are you talking about?
Say omoba abandoned projects nyina na aban kra no we contractor na ye contract we ma wa what is your mama we ni akọ site na koya adwuma
10 billion push no o kire ba bi o go fa say ska na ba
onu de omunya nkire
baby wano no de say ase yakọ afuom ase ya bai ohun onyina kese na esi nkwanse ho no me do afiri ha no ma akosi onyina na se me firi ho a me de ba ka foto no na matie si esoro ha mebo abasoro ha kakra ba bi si odum na se si duru odum na se de a na sa de ensan ya ebi amfimfi ha kakra pua na aka no metu afiri ho
o de wano do ngra
wa do be 10 acres ene onyina ho ene na se
o de wano do ngra
ene sika nkuri ne kura no you see any money go on my is so ridiculous esrekeke
10 billion push
so
no
na 10 billion push there who can say it when we come ye ba sikada ha ye de we ni we kan we hu a ye benya we ye yi we free we mu a ye benya we ye benya sika 10 billion free mu 10 billion no de ye pese ye de ye ni enti de o kan say kwan abefa so a wo benya sika no it is what Ghanaians will be looking at no one who say akoyi wo de adwene aba sa adwene we nyina o ho na ye o mu ntimi nya ne ye ma no chance no mra no mefa sika na da ha no nti we mfirim no onyi we mfirim no mfa sa 10 billion no e me project no me ba am de 10 billion e ba akwese 10 billion that is na so call election na lose wa ntimi nsore ntem nti wa ma am fa nche no and as far as say what dey ofori agima body no ntimi win election when this mu da
me mfre wa
I just what dey Nuruddin e candidate ha ofori agima body Nuruddin e ba ne sa
na vino de agima ho me ba
next election ba win this one dey 15 of am say you say onu say
is the first say Mahmoud
ono Mamudu no kra na je say dia abudu ka ho asan watimi anya bia enti
all right
you see
but it is a good initiative
you see propaganda we no enye no na Ghana for hwe say Joseph Yami asori atwen krante se me kodo edan bi ho what is this sa na
they say they will not allow those abandoned projects to go rotten.
Oh, you see
share all kasa or say why is a wo nyina because of ngranti yatwene nyina they tosu mienu se cement no ne niam omkoye because of the project abandoned no at the time omoye project cement was almost 20 Ghana cedis now it's 80 it is a contractor for Frosaba they will have to do fluctuation and variation obewie no asabo mine car so how wicked can the government be to abandon such a project
so by their own measure yan kan kire say na Joseph Yami you very wicked nti no mo abandon asokoro mampon affordable house project and ata ma no minister no hu affordable house onim say na criminals na team nti no wicked nti na sofo lie 8 years o man for monsanka
sofo lie there
interchange
but sofo lie interchange when they came the president Kufuor had done president Kufuor had done just 18 to 20%.
Was less than that
meba the besia a quite double near Dina. It is NDC na ye.
Ohun double road
to aso.
Ohun ufri in some do ejiri. Now oba 2 lanes na.
Yes.
Ohun 2 lane na da ho no for 8 years. Omdo Musakan.
There be.
And then side
but so for like I can testify because this is where I live.
Me man light kura we hu me because
man light.
Me Zuba Apeja junction ho ko no 45 minutes now one cran. Because it is double obi en sak on kwan. They hin overpass you. They flower. I'm talking about the road that you came to meet. When to me anya.
That's how man overpass. So I can
sa overpass no osu no. Mbacho adabe kwai.
Omo. Don't worry. Ohun edan ya nansi ya ebubugu ye ya esi.
Yeah, 40 years
one.
Matena.
So mo beto yi. Dino mo ye wicked dino man for mo sanka.
Okay, manu sima me na let me welcome Zuba. Manu welcome Zuba. And Zuba elete kakra na teme. Mami ma Zuba. Time.
5 minutes for each. 5 minutes. I don't need much time.
Mami too. Yeah, we are about 9:20 me ne Grace Gifts Jubi Kitewetre. Zuba, you have the time to talk.
I catch for your analysis out. I am person me from over. But dear George here no pay there. Me bana me nyanga kamema.
Ade.
Because analysis that me who need any po.
You don't need.
First and foremost. What say? A experience in Tinia Supreme Court for your mom 70. I then no try 80, your mom 70. So as we need an experience, but you do 8 and experience in my papa. I didn't do 70 so once I go feel. Because at that point in time, now Johnny and I am right. Would you be too much because what them? That is why I see 70 Trefie. Upa so could be president. On occupy this one uncle vetting. Uka say penny for no mum yen vetting, only be binting penny. Ye specific skill set. And ye nipa be different facets of life. It near the babishons. It's ye specific skill set. So that ye who said you money at the babishons away. That is why we go for interviews. Near Nakazian no way better my year, you man. Went to me yet. Look, make a joke. Because chief executive for Obuasi, I was the youngest ever to become chief executive in Obuasi. And on him, time I make one. Na you're saying this before. I say, I'm nipa. I'm a small boy. Go say, small boy near the man. Me did 6 months spend on. Me go to fool in them to that. Papa he walked to me. Young man, charming. Na me chiano. I was on IMC no me say I was already a busumi nsia wa ha. Obusumi nsia obompanyi for me nsadi. So of sourcing we visa will be the way 6 months. You know what? Saha for no kaka they had good intention, they wanted to work, but energy ana me wo no. Huh? Come say Horsey Park, inauguration. Yeah, but me energy me gina mu. And my officers, everybody rallies around me.
You carry them along.
I carry them along. Mr. Lawyer also said, I don't be high quarter. Or by me to keep toileting. I have energy. What a point I'm making, and I can confidently say, me come to me home. Say, oh, what's that home? Me you quite be a day free wa. Me the 3 years, 6 months. One more on my back. And your mom baba be ni me beat you bia. Including me, you know, see how much chat says yes. Who come in our boma?
A Juma or year or
Me go on. What the point I'm making now? Yeah, me body case ba. So Obi ya young, Obi ya younger, ni energy, and the wabako kwa enye pe. And I like point to be a papa na offense so political science lecture by about a Kufuadu in his heydays and the Kufuadu wabako create ne baba dan koma kofa kra bi ne betre no ka wi asem no to no we bi ne to no hwe no. That time na kwatia boy make me lose one hwan no. And I got here had 2 votes for me. What Kufuadu first no. And met me at the video no. Yes, I say I 2 happens with me when I got to the airport and met the immigration officer. What I got crowd back craft on last long and I want it.
And na executive secretary na na do.
Who is it? Who the president you know? First Kufuadu first Kwatiano. Why me? I go. Here. Obi to say Paul Biya. Marco African Summit. No, Oguta script no be that. Hey, me didn't go for baby be me. My celebrity. And I say, oh, ba be kasa. Or say, ah. Jesus Christ! You have met 20 countries in the world with the best of economies. For a program culture, or see my celebrity. Ni refi no. Ni refi. Oni be your what? Share chat. Ekuteya Guinea. O ibako kra. Na o tiakunya no no feeling insecure no the man no for asifo na no mabetwa no we police commander we afo was a dynasty. Na omo feeling so important than everybody in the country. No governance na go. And there are too many examples in Africa. Too many examples in Africa. O tell sunya 80% no person ba neba. And in Ghana bi wa yati ai nya komala ko fa make me libaya obeto nyom se ono obedru Ghana no dana obedru oba na no odru Ghana na no fa oba na oba ne die e no this anyum no ko gina ye seat of government e this ankwose anyum no e dey video che wi asa mansan wo ba Ghana no onyo oba na dada na o dey abonyum na mapanya tra wo ma kokora kasansa fu obehwe so ye ka mo se dey look Ukwe president. Problems bebre, adwuma bebre, so many briefings here dey kakakakwa. Briefings near bebre. Anopa, me so anopa now with district police commander. No about secret. Now wo divisional, na divisional commander fell. Oh, now health director fell. Oh, now education. Every morning you get briefing. And when you near that time na when you na adwen ayemre no sa briefing nyina o te fa so a unka se chinchina nchen abra wo MPs nyina se finance minister no okuye no unka se chinchina nchen won tran cause na adwen se media bro me mo fa se no kwa media fi abro so dynasty and ma Eugene entry beka se nye dynasty no MPP for no ya body organ how so scientifically who try na o da so te akonya so wo ye de who has crossed 75 and a president in Africa. No, why be Papa B? And you see the background, the context must be carefully noticed. Your mama don't go with a prepared speech to speak about African presidents or governance led by older African people. Chatham engagement, there were question and answer. So somebody asked specific question.
And he gave his opinion.
And Obi Bisan, what do you think about older African leaders and their impact on governance? And the examples are there. It What the point? It was a question and he needed to answer. And he answered and he said, the fact is that scientifically, Ubru 70 corner. No, you say young boys no trouble. How many young boys are in trouble and about public service? How many of them? And about public service. Yeah, you want public service, you want police. You don't try more. Are we not young people? Now because I do not about me to a junior meeting. A junior about you. Doesn't make you old in the morning. You cannot be a woman can several your radio so. Say the reason why me I don't like Kwabra for candidate and quite in age. Me can have it.
Yeah, say 72 anye na
80. Because unim. Omo ye party na emuna. Omunini dealing no. Obia goes through Nebano. Junior. About 90% of the people are omuni papano dear Juma about Nebet to become a flag bearer for the NDC. Says omuna go through Nebano. Nebano in charge of the branding. Nebano in charge of financing his campaign.
And say prepare Nebano like Boama was saying.
Na say obepe president bibia Nebano neya or president Nebano be bibia. That is why I'm against other people becoming president. That is why Jankoma, after listening to that nonsense on the music, can carry the boy to Nipa power. And Nipa did not see anything wrong. Let's do a background check on this guy. Ex-convict.
Yeah, he was prison by 4 or 5 years. Make meal.
No money more fast for the control you. And Timan Penny be take a decision. I got be a treaty first. Gabi treaty I can't once a man. Now it was so. Because one in what fast for a woman. And then nana no man. Me ya sure say Janko man bo kono mu region table so no office. So it is a fact. And you gave him a good example. Look at Kagame. And all the emerging African leaders are young, no? Huh? Ko Mozambique. Ko Namibia. And almost economy, no, it's a big bouncing.
And even Gambia now.
Gambia. Africa, baby, younger leaders are emerging. They are beginning to transform. Baby, they are sinking. Macky Sall, by Senegal. No, you old. Look at how Odomaka drew. Baby, Macky Sall, this Senegal. So the examples are too many. Alpha Conde. Akwe obedi Tunisia for after the Arab Spring. Akwe obedi omuso. After 10 years about that successful revolution. And Omkotoba, baby, wa nipa 9. Look at the mess that he's created for Tunisia. What I say? It was in Africa. Now go for Joe Africa contest. Joe Biden, Nekrata. The coffee. I hope Bassam. I say. What me Attorney General, ni at independent prosecutor no I never. Yejabi. Now me ba NDC excellent George we a lawyer I feel no starting uta kasa sa unya case.
What are you talking about?
Say unlawful entry. Kokota. My unlawful entry now you must define it too. Because crime no intent. You must satisfy the intent to commit the crime.
But he's saying that it is not every intent meant.
In this case, it's not true. There's no criminal case I ever intent.
No, he said at a point in time, some intent meant.
There's no point in time, Meba.
You see, what can I say about this?
You
have been talking about this. No. This is not fair comment. Just state your point.
What do expertise now?
Let me tell you.
Expertise.
Let me tell you. You know something we call strict liability. Let me tell you something. If you don't know, just forget about it.
Okay.
Unlawful entry. Public place. In ruin muno. Ayo Omanhene dia. Ayo apagya dia. Eda no man nwuram. Omo kodo nwura na atwa ho asia na no school ni hia.
Na school ni hia ho nom da na outside.
Ya do ho se de be mo ankom. No mun kware ajapade na wo sika na nya ni sika na hwan sika na kufa do de yo ma nya me sika. Minja tax. Njo sika na ya do ho anya me sika. Wa beje me tax ama tax no wa bobo bisia me no am wo sa beti me sika sa wo ye debt exchange program and na wo ye conductor e be ma wo debt na balloon and na me say wo wi me sika free bottom de debt exchange program me ma wo say ade no me boa eti ma ye japade na wo be ko bo bisia ma ka be me ne no me do ho ama ama adwuma Jesus kwaje permit ye ya Ghana fo no ye oman adwuma ye hu so oman japade nie me call my property one and my na tell me call public school one I just me kwaje permit ama makunya unlawful entry ho charge o manager pade and man say constitution is who say Ghana bibia say ya who as a citizen who responsibilities are who by who use every legal means. And one of the legal means and then say ya who so manager pade and say nru agiba ho e be say en 40 e be fa nru enu akwa winua no enua no be say me do ho wo say unlawful entry. Wo kasa man chama wa bro so manager pade wo bo besia ma o man no essay no manager pade san wo ho essay na m 40 awinua no na me kodo ho pam 40 no na me kodo ho pam 40 no na wo ka na wo bo me na so ate no wo say me ma your unlawful entry wo your unlawful criminal.
Unlawful criminal then we book be mo
no me book.
This is
because I said what's a da o manager pade en ese wani age nti me do ho abo ban no eye wo ya se wo bo bisia ma ka mene ye no wo san hwa ma ka na mene ye no ye be sa ko bo bisia foforo de aba be ye ade na da ho no na ye ka no kwa na e kosoro me ne manya adwempo se wo ade no wunya ma ho ebe say me kwakodo ho apam 40 amadua no ensei na de kina se wo ankasa wo baba be ye ho adwuma wo ka nkosoro wo se me a me boa mo amamuo no bosa no asi ye me do ho ama ka be ma na me no eso ate no me ma your unlawful entry me de ma kan me be pese kan ye be do ba bia etire ma sha ma kejeti aye nwura muda kwan mu no ho ekwam nyina ne atonton amu ne aburo ka kwam asphalt so ne atoto aburo ya soldiers ya asphalt so ufa hello fm anim ho ekwan abubakukum abuagum enso to na esenke na kwan ne sei sama abrosa ye kokko yi ya unlawful entry ye be kokko yi da kwa ahoma chimba so ne akopra kejetenya musa meka unlawful entry so ho nye dia na musa na mute omaja pade se anu ani age ye kwa ya wo se unlawful entry mo ngana fo oni pa mto aba mo ho ma dwe kuta mo ade no no nye obi ye wo se unlawful entry gana fo mo hu nipa ye no mu di agro mo hu ma dwen ade na ese yo mo ni kan se ese yo ye ya ye kwa kodo ho abo ade no ba no mo se ye unlawful entry ye boni gana fo muntie o asema aya na wo se bo
yo aho me ba se sia suba baba okay integrity keepers and Montessori school Muntie me anopay let me have some quiet. Best and quality tuition. Now results see by Ogoshem Kwaleya 2022 BC. Aggregate 6, 7. The one ya deal was school nya 10. Kwalano susu temu. enti misrawa wo pese odo ba ko school na o twa no ko school papa te say ya asantoa se Louis Prempe Monica's Anglican Secondary School Presec enom no schools akese no a me kamfo integrity keepers and Montessori ya wasu ebu anof yan nyina se kwan so and I next no Brema UGC last stop okes ya didn't do anymore from Crest to JHS now kopa now ko classroom yes I was school nutritionist and kwala na no sit to say quality ICT lab and kwala na besua abefo kwantim ponso classroom kama and a safa normal class size 0547 107 443 0547 107 443 and 0553 408 898 0553 408 898 Silent Night Guest House and Event Center European Standard and a hotel service papa no pa didi kodawa sorry yama breakfast unya mo jollof pa mo fried rice banku and tilapia omaduane there the atmosphere is also serene obeso your wedding obeso your party outdooring jumade bia obeso ye bia no Silent Night sebra weekend papa mutio papa bini weekend live band bi etuatua ho no no dofo anwumre after a year munkojojomo IPT Container Police Station Kumasi onoma na abu 0596 103 0596 103 and 0540 942 916 0540 942 916 afe power specialist Mami akosi adu ya Dr. Papa hepatitis the obia ginatum eboso jesomano ukopie ono bu okra na office wanya hepatitis was fat liver your miraculous water wo de wani kohwe nsuo mu na ye de adura ka wo na wani how nyina uti dwa wo nyina no afri ho gonorrhea akote syphilis akote wonsa akobu wanya ulcer hernia ya de bay kidney na hawa furniture power specialist about hospital enkan Kumasi na takrade Kumasi ye wo Feyase Lake Bosomche kwan so ye ni Jasper Police Station ni hwe ni mu enkran kwabenya Pokwase ACP Main Road and Atakwade so Anaji Estate ni Anaji MA Primary School ye the Herberton Herba Miss Tiny Powder beja so ma osojafo wo mu no immune system no peja jiri kajiri be ma kokudo nsuro jira na so na bo adwuma na ye mfra mi wura chance otimi rere ye edua ya Herba Malamix 2 malaria fever ni general bodily pains and a cough care and so ebuama upper respiratory problem biano every ho edua ya Herba tonic loss of appetite number is 024 454 4422 024 454 4422 and 020 038 3831 020 038 3831 WhatsApp line in here Bibi how our friend Ometuma send a message 0555 7978 78 0555 797878 let me be aperitivo non-alcoholic bitter drinky a bo a kama unya bibu ba nipeduano filtre so me dem me friend no nipeduamu zoom lion huru wuntini mu huru wakoma ene unipadua mu nyina na mamu da ho no mo ti be ma so de wuntini mu da ho no ma lawyer action kwa utimi bofini SCPC tada bibi ekoso made of herbs and spices from Italy with fruit eti bomodi so obenya bi non-alcoholic to nom sa wo de no onoma utimi di kama 0246 270-221 for energy because shop cotton 0246 270-221. Let me be akoso. Mami, mama wrap it up, lawyer. I'll give you less 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up, mami. Zuba, next time, yeah, Brantem.
And tell me, don't me. This year, he's incapacitated.
Why?
That's why he's still recovering from the shock. Now, at his pedigree. Now, go election.
Why we are recovering?
No election. Any decision that is made.
Time I'm in the 920 trust you.
He was defeating his own argument of the age.
Say
Oba Oboase, why Jumachen will be and because he had energy and everybody was rallying around him. The person I was Obuasi, Adanse Bona, the MCs is here. We're younger than you. So if say what me about more than a channel, it is not by virtue of the age. Because we need an age in channel. Say age in Kuadia, Usacha. Adana will claim say what me I Juma channel because now. So it is not necessarily the age.
And two, on the issue of Omokodo Hono. Quick one, I mean.
Oh, now, and there's all no, and then some more cano. Young person where she want to say, Yenya propaganda say, I might be it's more than and weja a Japadi be at all. But Bisa say, Omoko, quiet baby on my society projects now. A year, sa e blocks no musisi na. A year, community day school no. Schools no baby or one more west than yes, eh? A nipple school money now, them were phone in Aka home 200, a nipple 200. But we see community day, I bet me a friend nipa 400. ISM Koranikum. Say, we see school now, is it useful for the people? It's not even useful.
Thank you.
Mr. Mama, wait 1 second now. I wouldn't want to go further on this. Now, Memfa, Adesha war Kwabre East. Especially me unit committee and run me chairman free mu ya. Oh. Now, me ma ebusuafo ni nyina ya ko.
Friend say
your friend Obri Aboa, Chama Obri Aboa. Nyame emfa ne credit na abusuafo ni nyina nde party executives no constituency executives ni aba beka electoral area polling station o meduma na ho ni akocha.
Okay. Zua.
Now, minimum dance bona age. I could be older than him. But you see, I tell my can say ansana maybe baby executive no. Now you're a young man be answer. Okay. Based on the human as a young man.
Obey as compared to Omo
buy. A more money I buy. I do not want to relate release it between me and that's but me say or on energy or no so at the age man. You can find buy.
Go on to me.
What's the pandemic? Energy and dance so
for you age matters.
It matters. It matters. Oh, very important. See, I know my the goose one. I does no. Okay, me over that 12. Me even in my district. Me chief executive. Me that 12 one. Me sorry 5 6. Okay, say body no correspond here. Break it down.
You can.
Break it down. And any one of who regular. Ube president is you go to worse. Especially when you're going on presidential tour. What I say, it's important that you have ubenya energy so that when the various things comes, once we meet the president, or yeah, first one, I say biano catch ruby, kufoye meet the president, na biano frubi. Tama mahama president, na biano frubi. But the go for the first one, a biano frubi. You catch it asum, na ni refi. You catch it na ni refi. When you need, why emre? Adina emre.
Thank you.
On the project.
Your time as well.
On the project. Yeah, Mamun say no.
You could be
Kankari ni bia. I thought our house yen the mark contract. It was Thompson and Thompson. And how do you call this Dauda? And yeah. Yeah, the mark contract. Now who call Uber so for line, Hano. So for line, time buy. No, for Nanka, Palem was out and toss Palem, one and one. Some was up on a co engage show and go and on my bubu mum 2 years. Yeah, 8 years from Yasan to her. If it or so, and you go walk up police station. Almost 8 years, less than 3 kilometers.
Okay, thank you very much. Edubikete, Ebasi ano stressa. More time when you we will have time and do the talk and talk. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Edubikete. My tale from Grace Gifts.
That's Omanhene Yaw Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services as and no pay me Jana Dr. Grace Bodu and Ipadodo na to Sanimane said Dr. One Touch na name Edinchi PSC Amaya Shefo any atiefo nyina near bisa omo se omo ho te sei se omo pom den na atechima enu nti ene abetena se adwode bia abetena se ne ene omo atwetwe enkomo no ne amo omo hu die nti a woso omo de omo ho to abibiduro so
no brane haba maso esan se wo hwe ma mre bia ya ma me ne papa nom tetefo no ananso se nei se be wo konkro nketo ma na se obo okro okrom wo krom pa wonim no brane haba ma no wode ne ho atoso a wode ye adwuma be ye de be ye nwanwa se nipa no obedu baabi ni aka kye ne se waye mre wanya diabetes wanya yare wei ensisa Omanhene nanso yenum a yese modern world enani biebra na yede ye ho to so nsa na ye kra na ehunu amane yare ena brantie 26 30 na sebe waye mre wadwodwo kantete ho no sa de we nani ho enti adan na yemfa ye ni hwe tete atempo no ni yanse ye mumponkwankwa ye chi ni yankwa tete atempo no so na moaye ni ayire ho se ene de ye ni biebre na so ni biebre nso na eku ye di yenya ama ye tete akwasi broni bi no ma bi ne de ye ho atoso a edi yenya enu nti da bia betena se a Grace Gift Aba Clinical Laboratory Services aso ye de munim se yesua de ni akira wo haban no de wo de ho to so beboa wo ofie no obi beka cho say where there is no doctor and we first aid I dey mount. That's right. Now on so dia ball ho ban sebe ya yare no emma enu nti na dan de nyine betena fidie so a ni akira wo haban no ni ya boa okwan ya befa so a wo de be ya adwuma na aboa ma won susu ofie ho no eno ma nyina akoso enti mesro Grace Gift de ba e ya desua nko a edru ba bi a ne afa haban bi ni akyerekyerew eno ma ewom ne mfaso a wo so edru ba bi so a ne asa akyerew yare no signs and symptoms no de akoso enti enne me no be kasa e de afa better leave ho onwuno ahahan no ne be kasa afa ho na ya na de enti ye kire ni nyina ne se ye pese wo hu se ubedru Grace Gift Aba Clinical Laboratory Services aso ya ye wahaban a ani e de kra chen de ye kire no afidie so a ye de ye adwuma no ne ye de san yare tu yare so enu nti ena ma Grace Gift Aba Clinical Laboratory Services aso ye dance no enti bomoden sa obeba na obedru ho no ma ayaresa de wo fa no kwa bomoden na bra ya hweye Kumasi hanom Oshim School Junction Barikese kwan so ena enkra pumpuni mantam nso ye wo new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow ye ne Family Life International School ne di hwanimu ansa na mekasa na mesro me de numbers ni tudwa miguso a mekasa ye frɛ na anopa ya tutumrika wo de hia na yare bi say ye diabetes say asthma yare be na to Grace Gift Aba Clinical Laboratory Services aso ye de yare na ya yentimi nsa no eye sebe anifra di mfie dunu machide kɔ ena kwata achacha ena emum sa yare na yi na we fru a ofa nso be ka kire osese akwadworo ena sebe jimi eno pa ho a de aka bia no Grace Gift Aba Clinical Laboratory Services ubedru ho no ma nyambe benam Dr. Grace Boadu nani suade hunu so ama wa pomuden no esisi ne ho so me pa cha Dr. Grace Boadu na ankasa number nam didi kan no eye 0543 32 00 00 30 0543 32 00 30 and 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 me pacho mi gusu ameka say abomoden na frɛ na yemisa ye ho sɛ onwuno better leave eye den e woni paduanum ananso se mfaso obe kra na ewo so e de ma yesi ye tia asase so e wo se de ye ho to so na eboaye medofopa better leave anase onwuno ahan no eye adwuma bebre woni paduanum eboa e ma diabetes e check sugar e woni paduanum enu nti se bi se ufie na se wutwa tugu a anase se wo bone chemicals ama se wono a wadwodwo ayemra mesro hyase kenyan no na eye adwuma bebre eboa nso ma malaria fever etimi eboa ma malaria fever etu ase anase eboa ma malaria fever no entimi entena wo so enche esan antibiotics compounds bi e wo munti no eboa ema nipadua
na infections
sa eku infections nso sa nso ena oba sebi infertility among women oba awo ho aye den no sha sese wo de bitter leaf se bi benwa ananso obesha se hwe bi akira kwa beboa pa phytochemicals bi wo mo eboa ema oba awo ho aye den no etimi boa ema awo no wutimi nya bi ebi a wodie num afei potassium so ewom obi bebi sase den kra na wasa na oma we mu nutrients ewom ni ye bebre ekita ye kan say vitamin B1 ekita vitamin B2 ekita potassium ekita zinc enoma ewom no dose vitamins ne dose ena sanso kita phytochemicals bebre bi te say saponins ena afei alkaloids ena phytochemicals bebre wom na sa vitamins ya mebubo din B1 B2 potassium active compounds wom a eboa ewo effect ewo sugar na so eboa ma diabetes na situ oba nso etimi ma wonya awo no enoma na wom na dose no brain nti ya na ye bo no tofa na ye pese e kire se sa no ma we wo de ho to so a ebeboa wo ama apomuden no ase atu ama ho aton enu nti mentena ho e ma diabetes entetew mentena ho nom e ma diabetes ana yare bi malaria fever entete wa bra bitter leaf anasa onwuno haban no eto ho ahia enu ntimi sraw me kasa for bitter leaf ho nti no na yesi e check sugar ne boa ma diabetes etimi to ase nti no me pese me ma wo enya saade we first aid munim say grace gift de yen sori nkwa wa bra yen kya waduro entimi sraw bomodin se obi a diabetes ni bi ma omojanum na wo mpese daachi bia no ye beka akira o se diabetes aba umoja mu no bomodin se da ne de nyina ho sabeka bitter leaf onwuna ha ne tete na odi nkontomre ahaban wa horo so de aka ho no ano a wo be no no ma no pa wi anwumre enu ano no wa wie wan konkodu ba bi mi aka kiro se wanya diabetes da na se sugar aba umoja entimi sro ene de de e chaw na wotwe nyina de chaw no no fa na fa bo bra na fa nante ne beboa obu okura sugar ne wom so onoma na chese ni nyina a drain ni nyina ama ne ko enti ya medema no si no Grace Gift Herbal Clinical Laboratory Services ya suye ye to nsa fra sebra na obedru wa no bra ya kire no de ani adin chen sei ene ye de adwuma waso ho ya pesa o kire o setete apontempon na Dr. Grace Bodu wo de nam so
fa doctor number no tujane enko
enti bomode na bra Doctor number no 0543 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 ye chat to 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 Grace Gift Herbal Clinical Laboratory Services,
the home of quality health care.
Apomudi papa pa fie nyanko.
Ajubi keteme da sepa and na school fees mame Mrs. Janet Donko the birthday school fees mayo ti mami Janet Donko anya mfia diosia baako school fees odoba oseme kancho so odopa na koswa ne kurakura ne saa owo me sanso so ena Miss Lina Omanebo ite Miss Lina Omanebo ite eye HR Komfanoche human resource eno se o mautri ne boss new Komfanoche Teaching Hospital HR Miss Lina Omanebo ite nti mafrana wo honu nyina mrante de mabawa mo wase nyina no almost ma a blissful blessed happy birthday and all fans with TV no so jini nyina Abu Dhabi aye crowd wa hanam de mu be sie odom dom ye kina be se hia nyame kan ho na ye crowd na full time and all the goals all the highlights stay with us.